allow even one incompletion without completing it, without building a completion wall, without completing it. I used to think that when Raghupati Yogi gave me the BD, I did not pick up and smoke. That's why my enlightenment got delayed. My enlightenment is getting delayed before enlightenment. I used to think that is why my enlightenment is getting delayed. So I thought I should at least once smoke that BD and see. But good, I did not touch. Somehow, just by completing, I was able to get rid of it. But I did not realize that is going to jump on me so powerfully before I started entering into the death process. Only when I entered into the death process, I understood such a simple, stupid, cute desire was attacking me like a demon. And I tell you, it took almost 1 hour for me to complete and throw it away. I was actually sitting in the Manikarnika Ghat and going through the death process. The death process already started in me, means 2.5 days it was happening in my system. It started. And this one desire just stuck. Fortunately, so many dead bodies are burning. I just put my lip as if I am smoking and just inhaled that smoke and pushed inside the body, the pattern died. As if I'm smoking the BD. I just inhaled that smoke. The smoke of that dead bodies burning. It just disappeared. Understand? I did not have any lust. I did not have any name and fame desire. I did not have any desire to rule kingdom, or I did not have any other desire. Nothing. The stupid BD came. Because my guru gave, I did not take it.
So better become authentic. So when cosmos showers, you will use it, you will not abuse it. Understand, when you abuse, it will become very costly. Being an incarnation, I could not get the second BD. Understand? Being an incarnation, I could not get the second BD. One BD. I did not even say no. I just delayed my yes. I lost it. Did not even say no. Delayed the yes. And never I got it again. He said very clearly, some other door will open for you, but not this door. When we are inauthentic, maybe if we complete with our inauthenticity, some other doors will open. But that door which opened will never open again.